Okay guys, so we'll look into this one. Question says, Ravi bought 100 green apples, 65 red apples. The price of a green apple is thrice that of a red apple. 10 green apples and 5 red apples were spoiled during transportation. Each of the good apples is sold at the same price, which is 15% less than the cost price of a green apple. Find Ravi's profit percentage. Now, if you look into this question, if you go and try to solve this question, this is not a very difficult question. This is also not a very easy question. But calculations can sometimes, take you off guard. So without giving too much time, let's solve this. So there is something called as a red apple. There is something called as a green apple. Okay. And I know that green apples are 3 times more expensive than the red ones. So if I consider the price of one red apple as 1 rupees, I can say that green apples will cost me 3 rupees, okay, per apple. So in all, for 100 green apples, the cost price will become 300, and for 65 red apples, the cost price will become 65. So together the total cost price is CP is 365. Okay. Now the thing is, the question says 10 green apples and 5 red apples were spoiled during transportation. Okay, so we will subtract 15 from the lot, and the lot is obviously of 165. So if I subtract 15 from that, what I get is 150. Okay, I hope I don't need to show you calculating that. Now it says each of the good apples is sold at the same price. So all of these 150 apples, they are sold at the same price. But do we know the price? Do I know the price? Okay, price or rate. Do I know the price? Do I know the rate? I don't know as of now, but there is something given to me. Each of the good apples, okay, these 150 sold at the same price, and which is 15% less than the CP of a green apple. So 15% less than 300. No, 15% less than the rate of the green apple, and the rate of a green apple is 15% less will be, see, if I consider 10% is going to be 0.3 and 0.3 will be 10%, 5% will be half of that, so 1.5, so 0.15. okay, so together 15% of this thing will be 0.45. Now remember, this is less than, okay, 15% less than this thing, so minus 0.45 gives me 2.55, okay, a similar. So what is this? This is the rate of SP, rupees 2.55 per apple. Okay, you can do the calculation. Okay, so I don't think that is going to be a very difficult calculation, but so far I have only been able to calculate the rate of the 150 apples which are supposed to be sold. Now what is the selling price? What is the selling price? That is 150 times 2.55. now obviously you can do your tricks and all to solve this thing. The better way for me will always be to use the calculator into 2.55. that gives me 382.5. now I will not write 382.5. I'll directly subtract 365. I directly 365. Now we remember that the formula, or the general idea of profit percentage is SP minus CP upon CP. So this is my difference of SP and CP. In other words, you can say this is the profit divided by the SP, that is 365, which gives me 0.479. I'll write this number. I'll write this, or profit percentage, I'll write 0.047. You multiply this by 100 and you will get something like 47% or something. Yeah. So not 47%, 4.7%. Okay, because this is not 0.47, this is 0.047. Okay, you multiply this with 100 and you will get 4.79. So this will be your answer, option number D. Okay, option number D is your answer. If you want to verify, rather if you have to verify, let's see. So this is the correct answer. Yeah. Now I will not do this thing again and again. I just did it for this particular video just to show you that these are standard questions. They are taken from previous papers, right? And I will not be able to quote the exact vendor, but they are reputed coaching material, and I'm not selling anything. I'm just using some of the questions. Okay. Alright guys, so this is the method through which you can solve this question. A very easy type of a question. If you just break it down to its elements, you'll be able to solve it. Okay, that is all from my side. Thank you very much. This is me, Somojit Goswami, signing out for this video. And yep.